कैसे हैं आप लोग?
Hey, what's up guys? Keeping Podium back in. So I'm back with new video, and in this video I'm gonna unbox the 2x2 magnetic cube of Meilong. So I have purchased it from Cube Lelo and it's my first order, so it will be also my first experience of unboxing the Cube Lelo product. So watch till the end, and without wasting the time, let's begin. So let's open the box first. So overall the packaging was good. So let's see what we get in this box. So here is the cube stand. So I will keep it aside, and let's come to our main product. So here we get a card of Cube Care. So thanks Cube Lelo, and here is the receipt. So let me keep it aside. So let's open the one more box. So this is the box of the cube. So let's open it.
A few moments later.
So I had opened the box, and in this box we get these three things. So this is the cube stand, and here is the accessory box, and this is our main cube. So we will look it in further video. Before that we will see the accessory box. So in this accessory box there is one screwdriver. As you can see that it would be helpful to adjust the tension of the cube, and there are two cards, and the cards are these, and there is one tutorial card in which there is Ortega method. So here are the two peoples. So friends, I have cleaned all things, and this is the cube. So let's talk about this. So the size of this cube is normal, means like other 2x2 cubes only, not much bigger or smaller. And let's see the turnings. Then these are the turnings. It is smooth, and the magnetic strength is also good, and it is a silent cube, not much silent, but compared to the normal 2x2 which is of 100 rupees like this, it makes a lot of noise, but this is not noisy. So the price of this cube is 550, but if you use the discount code or a coupon code, then you may get it at 500 rupees on Cube Lelo. So the link is given in description. Friends, after 1-2 weeks I will make a full review of this cube, so stay tuned. So thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So let's meet in our next video. Till that, take care and see you soon. Bye.